Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always hopping by to my channel and supporting me. And yes, today's video is going to be really exciting because I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this bob Fulani braids. With beads. And yeah, if you don't know how to cornrow, I think you're going to learn something from this video, so also make sure you watch this video till the end for you to learn something new, most probably. And yeah, don't forget to give me a like, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, you can subscribe if you're new here. Welcome to the family if you're new here. And also you can comment down below on your thoughts on this hairstyle. What do you think? Is it something you try out and all that? So without no further ado, let's head to the video. So we are going to section my hair into two parts because we are doing cornrows on the front and we are doing box braids at the back. So we are going to section it into two, and I like to make my frontal part a bit shorter. I don't know how to explain it, but the distance from my hairline to where the cornrows are actually stopping, I like to make the distance short with this hairstyle. So the distance in between my hairline and where my cornrows are going to stop is going to be shorter. Yes. So before you start doing your cornrow, always make sure you start braiding with your own hair at first because you want it to look natural. So this is where the tricky part comes in. When you are doing your feed in cornrows, make sure you add the braid beneath the cornrow so that you can have a neat cornrow. I don't know if you guys have seen before, or if you've seen even currently, when someone has cornrows, you're seeing a line on top of the cornrow, a line on top of the cornrow. This is because the person who was doing that person's hair was adding the braid on top of the cornrow, which makes it look pathetic. Yeah, pathetic. Sorry to say that, but it is pathetic. We need to have perfect cornrows. So whenever you're doing your cornrows, like I am, you add the braid beneath or under the cornrow, then you continue braiding with the braid, and that is just how feeding cornrows are done. I think this is a visual thing. If I keep on explaining how to do these cornrows, I think I'm going to confuse you guys. So if you want to learn how to cornrow, keep on watching these videos and see how someone is cornrowing and get a grip of the pattern. Then after that, you add your braids beneath your cornrows, not on top, so that you can have neat cornrows. Yes, guys. Then another thing, I don't know if you guys can see the bumps of my natural hair around the braid. This is why also I like to use afro kinky while doing my cornrows with my natural hair, because it looks realistic. Because this is a straight braid which is straightened out, and my hair is not relaxed or anything, and I didn't also want to blow dry my hair. I don't want to use too much heat on my hair. So as I continue braiding towards the end, as I was finishing the braid, you could see that my natural hair is popping out a bit, and yeah, it doesn't look that pretty and all that. And that is what I was explaining on another video, on another cornrow video I did. I prefer doing my cornrows with any kinky hair or Mali braids because it looks more natural. With my natural hair, it blends in pretty well. So yeah. Sadly, this is the end of this video, and yeah, I hope you guys got to enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. For this hairstyle, I mostly used the let me show you guys. I mostly used the Shine and Jam conditioning gel extra hold. This was helping me with clear parting as I was braiding my hair, and yeah, it's really nice and it smells so good. That is a plus on this, because one packet of the Abuja braid is like 60 shillings at the beauty shop, so this is something that is affordable, and I used 3. If you're going to use more, I think you use only 4. Let's say a total of 4 braids, and that is like 240 shillings. Then you get these beads. These beads are like one bead is like 5 shillings, so it's also affordable. This is a very affordable style. Roughly this hairstyle would cost you 300 shillings. Yes, it's as cheap and affordable as that, guys, so you really don't have an excuse to look ashy, like I say. And I'm plugging you in, guys, to the easiest and most affordable hairstyles. Also, if you really don't know how to cornrow, I have a few other videos on how to cornrow. I've done cornrow updos, cornrows going towards the back, cornrows with afro kinky and all that. So, and yeah, guys, that is just it. Yeah, you're slaying at only 300 shillings. Who thought? Who thought? Who thought? Yeah, I've plugged you in, guys. So until our next video, guys, mwah, bye.